Welcome to Pat Pattison's Best of California. It's the holiday show. I'm here at South Coast Plaza in Costa Mesa. Huge Christmas tree. I'm Pat Pattison, and I love California. I'm so excited. We're at South Coast Plaza here in Costa Mesa, and I'm here with Debra Gunn Downing. I love the gift guide, and you have new stores to talk about.
And we love having you here to hear about those new stores.
Thank you.
Well, one of the newest, only opened for a week, is this little beauty right here.
Wow.
This is a brand called Beaumont from Paris. This is one of their fantastic little handbags.
Wow.
You can see the textured leather, the B for Beaumont. This amazing dress, all hand purled, beaded, the organza, sheer organza on the top. And then, as we were talking about, every woman remembers when she received her first Max Mara coat. They are known for coats, many other things too, but their coats are fabulous. And this is called the teddy coat. So this plush, you just feel how fuzzy and warm that is. Yeah, it's like a teddy bear.
So Debra, what do we have here? First of all, I see the word candy, so I'm excited. Can I eat this thing?
You absolutely can. First of all, this is from the iconic Sugarfina brand of candy. And it makes a great gift for a family member or even a child, but this is the Candyland game. And so all these different little gumdrops and so forth you use on the board.
And this is an advent calendar?
And this is an advent calendar, which is very trendy this year. Many of the brands are doing it, from Dior to clothing brands, even with a little, accessory in there. But this particular one is all candy, of course.
Oh my gosh.
And every day you open one of these little drawers and you pull out some little magical treats.
Oh man.
In the glitzy theme, we have Baccarat. And what's not to love about a gift from Baccarat?
I love crystal.
These happen to be holiday decorative items like the tree. One of my favorite things they make, though, and this thing is heavy, is this red vase. And it's just, you could use it all year round, but on your table for the holidays. Next we have the perfect New Year's Eve dress. Your daughter would like this.
Oh my! What about these guys?
This is Ferragamo, and there's nothing like a Ferragamo shoe.
Okay.
This happens to be a very trendy, and metallics are everywhere.
Metallics are in.
This is a special limited edition from Canada Goose. You have to try this on.
I got to do this one. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Fun.
Yeah. You try this on. See the beautiful paisley pattern and how warm that is.
Putting on a sleeping bag.
This might be a little bit more for California, if you just needed a little something.
I feel like the kid in Christmas Story. I gotta do the angels.
It's perfect. You'll have to go by the store because they have a cold room, and in that you can put your garment on, go in the cold room, and determine how much warmth you need for wherever you're going.
What are all these goodies? This is incredible.
This is eye candy.
Oh my God.
This is something so special. We thought these were particularly cute. They're nice for a quick running out to New Year's Eve or a special party. You can fit a lipstick and a cell phone in there. We have the only Missoni store in Southern California.
So a lot of Italy, a lot of France.
Yes, a lot of international brands.
That's
right.
Stuff.
So this brand is APC, new to South Coast Plaza in the last year.
Wow.
Very focused on sustainability, very important in the fashion industry.
Oh my gosh,
You're carrying something that is good for the earth, and it's also a very chic brand.
Thank you so much. We love South Coast Plaza. We will be back next year.
Thank you. Thanks for being with us.
Oh my gosh.
What a pleasure.
You got to check out South Coast Plaza here in Costa Mesa. This is Rodeo Drive times 20, plus affordable things, high-end things. Unbelievable, South Coast Plaza. So Barts Books here is the old-time general manager of South Coast Plaza, who has a bookstore. He's retired, has a bookstore in Ojai. This is incredible California right here. It's Santa, come here. Ho, ho, ho. So I want a lot of ratings. I want more distribution and more sponsors.
Perfect, we'll work on it.
It's gonna give me everything. Thank you, Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. I'm here with Allison Ash. We're at the Wrapper. And Allison, you said your mother started this.
She started this when I was a child, so that was a long time ago.
At Richard's Market
At
in Lido.
Richard's Market.
I know
on
this
Lido.
market.
Yeah. So she started it, and it was just a kiosk, really.
Wow.
A space a little bit bigger than where we're standing right now.
So teach me how to wrap. Teach me how to wrap.
Okay, here's a box. There's
Wow.
nothing in it, but we're
Okay.
going to learn how to wrap.
Okay.
So we take these giant bolts of paper, right?
Okay.
Okay.
I always put way too much extra paper.
Too much paper is not your friend.
Oh, you fold
I
these.
always fold this. Why do I fold this? Because if you don't fold it,
You got a white.
it catches and it rips. And then a customer's walking out carrying a package and it catches on
Wow.
something and it rips. Make sure the corners are really tight.
Okay.
So notice how
Tight
my
corners.
corners are tight.
And then you folded it
square.
again.
Well, yeah, because I don't want that to rip and I
I've
want it
already-
to look finished.
I've already learned so much.
So on your market, set, go. Wrap a
Wow.
present.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Here we go. Boom.
Now you're wasting
Three
paper.
fingers. Three fingers.
This way. Do it this way. You don't want the seam to be on the long side. You want it to be over here.
Oh my
right?
God. I feel so much pressure. Okay. Now what you did is you went, and then you like,
Yep.
oh.
Hopefully you have sharp scissors.
You have to have good scissors. And then you went like this way.
I think you're wasting paper. I hate wasted paper.
This is
All right.
bad. This is bad. Have we already blown it?
A hack job already. Okay.
Okay, wait a minute. Don't give up on me.
I'm not.
Don't give up on me, because we're gonna be.
Ooh. Oops. No. No. You have officially flunked gift wrapping. I pity your family.
So I hope you enjoyed that episode. I loved going to Sky Park Santa's Village. I loved sitting on Santa's lap, and I learned how to wrap. Tune in next time.